Peace. Many of us don't even remember what that's like. You see, the world can get so loud that we often lose our voices screaming, trying to prove something to those we owe no explanation. Face it, we have a fascination with the thoughts of the masses, the opinions of strangers, and the insults of those we have once called friend. But in reality, you are more than enough. And if you feel that no one else will listen, talk to God. And if you want, I'll try my best to be the best listener that I can. Bless.